It's Dr. Ryan Tarnick again, Tarnick Chiropractic and Acupuncture. I'm just going to demonstrate the chiropractic technique that we use for our patients. It's a very gentle technique, not a lot of twisting or anything like that. Very gentle pressure and motion along the spine. Sit up and face me, please. That technique is called specific prone, like I said, and as you can see, very gentle technique. And we also use electrical acupuncture here in the office. And it's using this handheld stimulator. I'm just going to treat a few acupuncture points in the ears here.